if you can uncover what the main issues are that the client's experiencing whatever it is, right? Like the way I use offer linking in delivery, right, is like, if you can find out what the future problems are going to be for that client and the landmines that you were talking about, and plant the seeds through that whole process, and then as the problem comes up, they've already decided they want to work with you on solving that problem as well. You can retain them for a much longer period of time.
Yeah, that's what I said.
Which is the same way we do it with team as well, right?
Yeah.
Like, one of my favorite things to do with team members is like, well, no one, if they're going to come in and like take over a department of the business or whatever it is, right? Like, they don't want to start and then that be the only role for the rest of their life. They want to start and then have a development path of some sort, and they want to see what that could possibly look like and what challenges and what skills they might need to upgrade in the pathway of doing that. It's like, if you can make an offer to that person that links solutions to the problems they're experiencing while also future pacing what life could look like once we've solved all those things together. And then if you're really smart, show what the next stage of that would look like as well. You retain team, you retain clients, and your marketing will actually help you retain team and clients before they even start with you the second they do get started at the same time as well. So the whole idea is like linking the offer or the problems, existing, past, and future, to the actual offer that you make to someone as you start the journey with them at the same time too. Works with your girlfriend as well. I've always noticed that. Oh, good stuff, man. Is there anything else that you would or would like to share? Not about us, just about either what you've done, the journey, whatever it is, possibly about anything that you think someone in your position 7 months ago needs to hear in order for them to be able to become 50 to 100 grand a month like you're sort of projecting for now?
Literally the best money I've ever spent. Like, getting into the program, it changed my paradigm of business. Like, it gave me a roadmap to get to that 100K. I heard something a while back. They were talking about accountability partners or whatever, right? And oftentimes people will grab the hand of somebody that's next to them. And the point was, that's stupid, because 50% of the people that are starting out won't be here in a year from now. So the odds are you're grabbing the hand of somebody that won't be here. So even if you are one that will be here, then you've just grabbed onto dead weight. That's stupid. I was on a lot of dead weight.
I don't know where you heard that, but that hurts me to hear.
Yeah. There's a lot of dead weight in my life, and y'all are many steps ahead of me. Like, you're shining, Ferris is on my back with a flashlight, just shining in front of me, and, whispering into my ear, go left, go right. And I wouldn't have been here without that. Like, I know there's no way I would be here. Like, I would have probably been at 20,000 frustrated, still in fulfillment, with the good months and bad months. Talk about people's problems, solve those problems, like dial into one niche, one avatar. We've kind of been talking about it for the last few minutes, but like, that's what I would say to someone. And it sounds simple. There's a lot of moving parts to this that you have to learn and you have to master.
Why do you think people might not do it?
I mean, before I invested in you, I'd spent about 20,000 in coaching. I haven't gotten this. You have people that say we're going to do one-on-one coaching, and that one-on-one coaching quickly turns into, I don't have time. There's going to be 50 people on this Zoom call. That's not one-on-one coaching. Then that turns into a monologue, and then the teacher's pets get a couple words, and it's not coaching. With this, like, you have, what is it, three spots right now. And there's, the rumor mill says there's going to be a couple more coaching calls added in the next coming several months. So, like, just continuing to add more specific, high quality people talking to specific things that I need to talk about. I need to talk about setting every single week. I need to talk about CSM every single week. I need to talk about sales every single week, because I have to stay sharp for my team. I have to be able to get them to where they need to be and to help them to get to where they want to go, and to be able to surround myself with people that are like-minded, that have been where I am, know where I'm going, have been there, and want to help me get to where I want to be. That's just invaluable. I was joking with you the first couple months we were in. I was like, dog, I would have paid you 50 grand for this.
I kept asking for the invoice to get paid, but you never did it.
Before we're said and done, you might have 50 grand from me. So who knows?
Probably, but that's not what I care about.
I know.
As long as if you were to do that, that made you fix all the problems in the world,